everybody, it is Paint Pouring Sandy, and in this video I'm going to be trying something new. I found some great little wooden circles at Walmart. It was this little pack here, 6 pieces of wooden circles. It's by On the Surface, and how cool that it already kind of has some paint pouring designs in there. I thought that was pretty awesome. So my thought is that I can paint these and turn them into little ornaments. I was thinking coasters, but I think they're just a little too small to be coasters. After talking to my husband and getting his opinion, I agree. So what I'm doing is I was trying one out before I started recording this, and my husband laughingly told me that is far too much paint, and he was totally right on. Shocker there. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some white paint on my other 6 here, or the other 4 out of my 6, and that way I can kind of spread some of this paint around here. This one has got just about ½ an ounce of colored paint on it, so I just want to spread some of this white on here really quick and see if I can share the love with that paint. And this is what happens when you are a klutz and you're painting. You drop things just like that. So that has been kind of happening frequently here for me, because again, I'm a klutz. So alright, let's see if maybe I can try this whole dip thing again. Share some of this paint on here. The same thing happened with my canvas panels where I created a vacuum. Ooh, now that's pretty cool. Thinking I'm going to try this again here. Actually, we might have enough paint, literally like my husband said, for all 6 of these. What I did was, after I turned over this cup on here, I just went ahead and set it on here. But how pretty is that? Again, y'all are going to get so tired of hearing this, but I always think that my dirty pour cups are absolutely beautiful, and I think I'm pretty right on with that one. You know, I might be able to do something really kind of cool with this one, so I'm going to leave that one alone for now. I'm going to, I think, blow that one out with a straw. See what we can do here. Since these are smaller than what I'm kind of used to working with, I'm over-judging and now kind of under-judging my paint needs here. But it's okay. This is easily remedied. So this white paint that I use for all of my white paint is white house paint with Floetrol in it. It's a ratio of about 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and it really does the trick for me for all of my white. So we need to add a little bit more to this one. We'll find out here shortly. I'm gonna try another dip here just because that was really pretty cool. Ooh, that was fun. Curious if I put some white paint around here, if I can get this to kind of, colors to kind of spread out here just a little bit more. Especially if I kind of blow them out with a straw here in a second. I think that those might turn out pretty awesome. And then, like I always tell y'all, if you clean this cake spreader tool while your paint is still wet, you do not need to wash it, and you will thank yourself later, I promise you. All right, here, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more to this one here. All right. Dip, baby, dip. This is pretty awesome, actually. Spin this around a little bit. Have some fun here. Ooh, it's like a painting sandwich. Ooh, that one turned out pretty fun as well. And this one, this last one here, Alright, I think I am going to go ahead and just dip this one in here. Alright. Well, that was really awesome. Now I wish I had another little canvas to paint on, but I don't really. This turned out really pretty awesome though. I'm gonna kind of move this one around here a little bit. Tilt this one here. Awesome. Wow, well, with literally half an ounce of my colors and maybe another half an ounce of white in total for all 6 of these, I was able to create something really kind of fun and cool. Once these dry, what I'll do is I'll paint the backs white, and then that's where I'll sign. But in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of blow these around just a little bit here. I love how this gold's here, but it really kind of took over on this one. And some of my purple did not really come through. So I want to see if I can kind of get some of that purple back in here. Awesome. some. This one I think I'm probably just going to leave alone. I think this one's going to turn out really pretty awesome. It already kind of came with built-in wisps, so I'm pretty happy with that one. Let's see here. Alright, I'm going to put some white around this edge here as well. Again, I just want to see if I can hopefully get some more little wisps here. Just because, you know, that is kind of my thing. Alright. Well, I am very happy with all of these right now. So, this is going, I think these are just all going to be so awesome, especially once they're hung up. I'm going to have my husband drill a little hole in them, and then I'm going to put a string in them after I seal them. So, I think that these are going to look absolutely awesome hanging up somewhere. But these are all actually going to be giveaways for my the other administrators in the group that I'm in, so I'm very excited about that. I am going to have an extra one left over, so if you would like a chance to win one of these, drop me a comment below and let me know I'm in, and then within 2 weeks of me posting this video, I will pick a winner, and then I will let y'all know who that winner is, and then they'll have a week to get back with me, and then we will get this to them with their contact information. So I'm very excited about that. So there will be a giveaway. One of these are going to go to one of y'all that are watching. Drop me a comment below with I'm in and a takeaway, something you learned while watching this. And then, like I said, within 2 weeks of me posting, I will draw who wins, and then that person will have 1 week to get back with me with their contact information. So yeah, so best of luck. All right, so this is the next morning. It hasn't even been a full 12 hours, but these are all almost dry. The wet parts here are just a little bit of wet paint, and it's not silicone, it is wet paint right there in the middle, but this will be dry by the time I get home from work today. But this is how they've all dried. I think that these are absolutely adorable and are going to make fantastic little ornament gifts. So I'm very excited about that. Kind of stuck to my little thing here. This one's still quite wet, but that's okay. It's stuck to my little holder there. This one did too, but that's just because the bottom of it is still wet. This one's the most wet, and that's because this was the one that I had originally poured my dirty pour cup on. So this one's still got quite a bit of ways to dry, but again, should be dry by the time I get home from work. I love how the gold really makes a statement and pops, and I think that these are going to be so much fun. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you've not had a chance to comment, like, share, subscribe, again, I greatly appreciate that, but mostly I appreciate you watching. So thank you so much. Again, this is a giveaway, so 2 weeks from the date I post this, I will draw a winner to win one of these little ornaments, and you'll have a week from the day that I post that to get in contact with me with your contact information, so I can get that sent to you. Otherwise, a runner-up will be chosen. But again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.